In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add the featured section to your profile. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your profile, and once you're there, you want the featured section to appear right here. So there's a section for activity. You want a section for featured. So now how do you do it? You're gonna go over to your profile and click on add profile section, and here you're gonna click on the second option which says recommended, and then you're gonna click on this add featured. So I'm gonna click on it, and then it's gonna say to add a post which you want to feature. So you can just click on the plus logo, add a post. So because I want to feature a post, and then you can choose any post you have featured. So these are all the posts I've featured up till now. I mean, which I have posted till now, and I want to feature this one, let's say. So I can just click on this feature option, and now it's successfully featured. So now if I close, as you guys can see, it's featured. And now if I go back to my profile, so going back to my profile, there'll be a section which is dedicated for the featured posts. So now if I scroll down, you guys can see that the featured post is right there, and that's how you do it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.